Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you some birds and show you I have came to someone's house. These are the birds and they're so cute. Let me show you a baby bird too. And these are the cuties baby birds. See, there's a cutie one. And there is one another. It's a little bigger one. Whoa. You can see these are cutie babies. Oish! Oish! Okay. Come on, catch! Okay, let me show you a turtle too. A big turtle. Hey, come out. Oish! Come out. And these are the baby turtles. See, they're so cute. See, it's hiding. And these are baby ones. I'm getting scared to touch them if they bite or what. And it's a big doggy who's the angry one. I don't know why. He's saying just say, I think he's a player one, I don't know, so I'll tell you before. And lastly, I'm showing this again. I don't know, you will bite or what. Cool. Come on, catch me if you could. Hey, where's another one? By hiding. Yes. The another one is here. Yeah. Hey, don't bite me. I'm hiding there, okay? And these are brother sisters. Okay. Okay, I'll meet you next time. Bye-bye.